Southern California has been going through it all. A tornado in LA, insane flooding in the mountains of Wrightwood, and FaZe Clan disbanding. And this guy's literally surfing on the main road. Who's gonna stop him? Enough said, we're taking our bikes to the aftermath of these floods. Let's go. Whew. I got brake fade. I almost just looped out right now.
That was clean.
Thank you. Oh.
The track, there's that, and there's like a triple thing down near my house.
Alright, man, let's go over there. Oh, he freaking roosted me! Oh, we're going to this track, okay. This little track right here. Oh! There's a side jump now! Oh my gosh! Oh, I can't hit that. Bro, this is sick! Oh my gosh, I'm hitting all of these for like the first time. We're ripping this, bro. Bro, your kick! Mason, your kickstand! It's down! Your kickstand's down! Oh, it's back up. Woo! I hit that for the first time. That was so fun. Okay, that jump's fun. So is that one. I think they just destroyed it, though. I lost them, bro. What happened?
Track over that jump from near my house.
Bet. Let's just go for there. Who's this at? Knee-knock gang, knee-knock gang. We both know how to knee-knock now. Okay. Oh, yeah, I've been here. Yo, this is kind of sketchy, but it's kind of fun. Okay. Well, it's kind of fun. Oh, I've overjumped that. Oh, I think it was that jump I ended up. Oh, there's another jump side hit right here. Okay.
Tomorrow at 10.
Okay. Tomorrow at 10? Oh, wait. Let's do the transition. Ready? Alright, let's cut to tomorrow at 10. 3, 2, 1. They're not here with me right now. I'm gonna go meet up with them. So, let's go. Freaking, I love riding through here when it rains. Woo, that's freaking tall. Oh yeah. Woo! I was running into the bush. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but it clearly has rained. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, the grass is so slippery. Fuck. I didn't know it was that slippery. Oh, okay. I hurt my ankle. Yo, it's actually kind of fun, bro. Huh? You want to go up there so Mason can see us? That's so slippery. Oh, we should go to the sunset one though.
So what?
The sunset one?
Sunset track.
Where's that?
You haven't been there? We're going that way. Dude, it's so fun. Oh, woo! Hey! Yes, sir. This is the main road that they were surfing on. got the sheriff out here? That was the sheriff.
Oh, sure.
We're chill though, we're chill. We're almost there. Oh, it's raining now. Alright, so most of the jumps here are buns. There's only like 2 hittable jumps.
Alright.
So
cold.
if you want to see it first, see me hit it first?
Yeah.
There's one over there. Ah! Oh wait, I'm sorry. Wait, I was trying to... I'm sorry. Wait, okay, my bad. Hopefully I don't get roosted now. I accidentally roosted Mason. I can overjump that so hard. I overjumped it so hard. Alright, so you're not gonna want to hit it with that much speed. Wheelie it. Jump it on that. He's gonna hit it. Yep. The smaller one's right here. You need even less speed than that one. So yeah. That one's fun, bro. Oh no! I'm gonna hit it on this. Buddy roosted me. That felt so smooth. I have an idea. You guys want to go to the aqueduct? Yeah, I know how to get in there. It's gonna be fun. I think it's better than the track right now. It's probably flooded still, but I just want to see how full the aqueduct is right now. No way, did they put more barbed wire up? Oh shit. Oh fuck. The water used to be up to here. Yeah, the current's so strong normally. What the f?
It's like not moving at all.
Yeah, that's weird. You guys want to go explore that in there?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm showering after this. Ah. Oh, it's like caved in because of the water, dude. It used to be way higher. Don't slip because it's full of mud, dude.
Oh, what the fuck, bro?
Do you want me to lead? Fuck. Oh, don't slip, dude. That's slippery. Oh, that's really slippery. He saw me almost fall, dude.
Oh shit! Yo, it's slippery.
Oh. Get your mud off of it. You know, like jump upwards. Why is there a hole here?
Hey, who wants to swing?
Oh, there used to be a tire swing actually.
For real?
I'm being so for real. Alright.
We should use the wood to make a little path.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna go through. Yeah, we don't need that. You can go up on there, but... Oh, yeah, dude, it barely has any water left.
No water.
Nope.
You're going with me.
We're gonna drop you in the mud.
No!
Where'd my keys go?
This is his studio keys. Alright, I'm gonna just go.
Where's my kid?
Alright, good luck, guys.
Throw it into the water.
That shit I'm never finding it, bro. Off the rock.
Yeah. Alright, let's go before it starts pouring, dude. Dude, I want to go on the top of that water tank so bad. Oh, wait, look at the stairs.
But there's barbed wire.
On the stairs. That's so dumb. What the f? Does it work? Does the spray paint work?
Prime.
Spray on the ground.
Oh, it's primer. It's gonna blow up. Oh, I just roosted myself somehow. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't on purpose. That wasn't on, move, move. That wasn't on purpose. Oh, okay, I think I might be. I'm roosting myself, dog. You don't need a front brake. Oh no, it's not. It looks like a
It's a Dodge. It says Rawrr.
Oh, okay.
Hey, put that down.
Yeah, that's weird though. What the? Oh yeah, it's a Dodge.
Watch out.
Yep. Ew. What if I just twist your throttle right now?
That's you.
Over the moon. Keep running. Why are you putting it more in the mud? Now.
Screw you, man. What was that for?
We missed our turn.
Yeah, it's right here.
It's over there. Oh, we're literally right here, actually. I have no idea how much mud there is right here, but I'm gonna hit the big jump. We'll be back. We're gonna hit one more round.
Okay.
And then we're gonna hold that back. Just one lap. Yeah. One lap on this. It's so hard to avoid the rain though, or the puddles. Squirrel! I almost hit the squirrel. The puddles. Squirrel! Oh my gosh! Dude, that squirrel almost got freaking yeeted, bro. Did I hit that? So much mud. It's kind of fun though to avoid it. Let's go. Wait, there's a small little fun jump over here. I'm gonna hit this. I bottomed out so hard. You hit the freaking thingy. You hit the curb. Let's go. I got it! My bad. Oh, it's actually starting to rain now. Oh shit! Are you good?
No way.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You didn't? It was just your bike that hit it?
Yeah, I'm good, yeah.
Bro, you took a fall.
Turn and look back at you.
Dude, you can see where his tire locked up. Right here. He locked up his tire and then he slammed. Yeah, he slammed into it with the side of his bike.
Mud from my bike.
Yo. All right. Oh, what the? Wait. Go. Yeah, it's skipping a little. Look, give it a little throttle. If it skips, that's the belt. I'm looking at your chain. Yeah, it's the belt. It's the belt. His belt's skipping. You need a new sprocket.
Hold on.
Whoa, don't do that right there. You went in the worst spot possible. All right. Oh shit. I think that was a success.
Yeah, I'm done riding for today.
It's New Year's.
Yeah. New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. All right, I'll see you guys. Oh, what? Oh, my bad, I forgot. All right, let's go. Holy shit. Alright, I think that pretty much sums up the video pretty well. Moral of the story, watch out for light poles, and riding in the rain with your friends is fun. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bro, my helmet is so muddy right now. Let me show you guys right now. But comment Hotel Banana if you watched to the end. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.